Konnichiwa. That is Aya in Japanese. I have been learning Japanese over the past 3 days. I know about 10 words. You know what else is Japanese? Pusheen. There is Pusheen. Oh, look at little cute little face. Oh. I love Pusheen and I like cookies. So I'm gonna combine the two together and I'm gonna make things out of Pusheen. So we're on isolation day 100,005,006. It's also our friend's birthday, so we're gonna go and surprise him with Pusheen cookies. Yay! I got this for Christmas and it needs to be made now. This is the most adorable little thing I've ever seen, and I'm gonna try and find other ways to use this little cookie cutter. I'm not the greatest baker, so these might turn out terribly. What comes in the packet? That's it! That is all that comes with it! Preheat oven. Done that. Lightly grease a baking tray. I don't like doing that, so I'm just gonna line it with baking paper instead. That's so not straight. Perfect fit. Fits perfectly. Alright. Step 2, into a mixing bowl, add the contents of the bag of cookie mix together. Just reached my step goal from putting cookie mix into a bowl with 45 grams of butter. It sounds like Mew in the letter tray. That'll do. 34. Oh, it says 45 grams of butter. Oh, for God's sake. And 30 mils of cold water. I'm making so much mess. 30 mil. It says mix and then press together to form a smooth dough. Wish me luck. That's where all the good stuff is. That's where all the butter is. If anyone wonders what I'm like baking, this is it. Shoddy, uncertain, messy. I wonder if using my hands would be better. I'm imagining all of the kids that are stuck in isolation right now and they're not like, oh, let's bake cookies. I'll just put it in a blender, put it in a food processor. Nah, they want to get their hands dirty, don't they? She says not getting her hands actuals dirty. I'm gonna do it. Oh, it's horrible! Why do people do this? This is disgusting. I love that we're gonna go and give these to Ash, and then he's probably gonna watch this and see my grubby fingers in here. They're not grubby, I promise. Mix and press together to form a smooth dough. I'm getting there. That's this. That kind of looks like a dough, doesn't it? But I need affirmation, confirmation from you, George.
Yeah, that's dough.
That's dough.
Pretty much dough.
Yeah. That's what they do, innit, the pros?
Yeah.
Punch it. Floured surface. This is clean. Roll the dough to approximately 5mm thick and use the cutter to press out the cookies. Okay, so we just need some flour. I'm guessing plain. It's gonna be. Okay. I don't even know if we've got a rolling pin. I don't even know. This would be the time to check, wouldn't it? I think that's quite a lot of flour. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm gonna wash my hands. It's the moment of truth as to whether we have to use a wine bottle. Yay! Yes! Come on, Pusheen. We can do this. I don't know why I feel like I have to be fast. People bake to relax, don't they? I don't feel relaxed. Oh. I'm gonna flip it round, right? That's better. This feels like home economics from school. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no, it's stuck in the middle. If only you could see George's face right now. He's not impressed at all.
Can't wait for my birthday.
I've got a breach. I'm gonna have to go back in. That's fine. That's fine. This is fine. Jenny, come on, Pusheen. Okay, I'm just gonna do some. What does it say? You can get 12 to 15 Pusheens. Let's count together. 1. Oh, look how cute they are. They're so cute. Oh, I love them. 1 little meow. Oh, he's a little scruffy. He's a little stray, that one. It's a bit hench, actually. Oh, we've got a little sausage dog one. A little munchkin cat. They're all different. This is my life today. I'm going to get all the bakers being like, oh, you shouldn't have done that. That was a good one. Oh, they're talking to each other. Meow. Oh. It's a Manx cat. Oh, George, you already look so much more professional than me. I think the difference is that George is not afraid to get dirty, and I absolutely hate having messy hands. Look at that. Oh my god, that's so much better than me. Oh! Look at the difference between that one and that one. Slap the cat. He's a bit nutty. Yay, let's try and make some letters. I'm going to attempt now to write his name. There you go. Look at that. Looks like Ash, didn't it? Yay. A little heart. Yes. That's friendship, that is. Right, let's get these in. Here we go. Be good little meows. So now we have to make icing sugar. We need to make icing with icing sugar. Should I have sifted it? Then add a teaspoon of water. Need some more water.
I don't think you do.
Really? It's a bit lumpy. Is that going to cover all the cats?
So it's probably about right.
Teeny bit of water.
Really? I think it does, Jen.
Really?
That's how rice and sugar should be like that. It should be relative.
He's left now. Oh no. It's fine. They're just from a different litter. I suck. It's the thought that counts, right? I wonder how they taste. And happy birthday, Ash. Oh my god, look at them. You know what I love? Is their little tails and their little, like, chests. They look a little bit like they're Burmese. I'm gonna try the really burnt one. That's awful. I mean, I don't really have any taste at the moment because of the virus. That's just burnt. I mean,
Might be better icing on.
exactly. So what I'm gonna do is once they've cooled down, I'm gonna do some with just regular, and then I'm gonna add some orange. I don't want it to be too meh. Let's give them a minute. But it's not just terrible crap cookies that you can make with your Pusheen cutter. You can also make tiny ham sandwiches. I'm going to place it on. It's not got any butter in it. Should give these to the birds. Or make your friend a childlike birthday card. Is awful. Let's try the dip method. Oh, you little genius. These are terrible. I should not be allowed to do anything ever. Right, the ash does not fit in the bowl. Oh my lord. This is how much friendship. Ah! You're not going to be able to see what it says. Why did I do this? Oh wow, I am a 32-year-old woman doing this. That's me. I think that's alright. Like, it's not great. I mean, it's not like gonna get me on Bake Off. So now we just gotta let them set and take them to our friend. See what he thinks.
the shower.
Oh, of course he
Hold
did.
on. Thank you.
Wash your hands, wash your hands.
Don't
wash
try
your hands,
again.
wash your hands.
Hooray! That was successful. Yay! They're all gone. I think they may have just been being polite, but they did go for more than one. So I'll take it. Thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe down there and all that really cringy stuff. I mean, do what you want. Have a nice day and stay safe and inside. Yeah.